safety, please remain seated at all times, keeping your feet off the windows and railing. And you guys are all clear. Enjoy your ride.
And our landmark Star Tower. Please remain seated throughout the entire ride and refrain from smoking while on board. We also request that you do not put your feet on the handrails or windows during the ride. As we take off to breathtaking heights, sit back and enjoy a bird's eye view of Northern California's best choice for family fun and adventure. Since the Star Tower opened in 1979, it has elevated thousands of guests to an aerial view of the park and Santa Clara Valley, traveling at a rate of about 6 feet per second. At 200 feet, the Star Tower is the tallest observation tower in Northern California and the second highest point in the park. The multicolored drop tower is the tallest at 224 feet. To the left of the drop tower, you can see Planet Snoopy, a themed area for kids and parents, featuring exciting rides and attractions. Plus, don't miss the chance to greet and hug your favorite Peanuts characters, including Snoopy, Charlie Brown, Linus, Lucy, and Sally. Combine our entertainment with world-class thrill rides and a water park to make California's Great America, Northern California's best choice for family fun and entertainment. It's too much fun for just one day, so check out our season pass options and make an entire season of unlimited fun. Please remain seated until the Star Tower has come to a full and complete stop. At that time, please exit the same way that you entered. Thank you and have a great day here at California's Great America.
At this time, you may exit towards the same way in which you entered after that stay here in California's Great America.
Okay.
Oh, you're
Oh, I'm good? All right, that's going.